Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is snailed stew. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do. So basically, when you go and catch the snails, you need to leave them in a box with air covered, so they kind of go to sleep in about 2 weeks. Now we start by choosing the snail for any dead ones, and we are giving them the first wash and take that kind of skin of the snail. Also, we are looking for any dead snails. As you can see, we are checking if there's any skin. Now we drain them and we are going to give them the second wash. Of course, change the water and we give them the second wash. In the meantime, we have a pot of water going on with plenty of salt in it. So when the snails are ready, we just put them in the pot. So now we are give them the second wash. We're going to drain them, and like I said before, here we are putting them in salty boiling water. So we cover them, and as you can see, that is the first bubbles that the snails come up with. We need at least 4 times like that. So now we are going to start the sauce. We put some oil, the onion, the garlic. We're gonna spread the onion, the garlic. We're gonna add the tomato puree. We are adding the tomato puree. Like I was saying, yes, the snails, to be ready, they need to come up 3 to 4 times with that bubbles. So when that bubbles come up, we just stir, the bubbles go down, cover, and then we wait for another bubbles to come. Now we're adding some curry powder. Mind you, this recipe is done by my mom, which is it turns out really good. Now we're adding the paprika. Then we're gonna add a beef cube. They use OXO2. Yes, for remember, we have more videos. Here's we're adding the beef cube, OXO. We have a lot of cooking recipes on our website, robandjays.com. Please do visit us. There's a lot of authentic recipes which they are made from scratch and easy to follow as well. Also, please do share our work so we will help more families to go into the kitchen and use fresh food. So now we're going to add the marjoram and mint together. If you do not have fresh, of course, use dried is alright. It's okay too. Yeah, like I was saying, we also have on our website menu planning for families. So there is the shopping list. We're adding the red wine now to this beautiful sauce. Now here's the thing. My mom used tomato juice, which was made fresh, but then she froze it. She's gonna use the frozen tomato juice. But we can use the normal tomato juice. So we can use the tomato juice. So we added the red wine now. Oh, sorry, there's the potato. This one, the little, it's one of the potatoes which is cut very small. We're gonna put it with the sauce. This potato, we are cutting it small, only one from the rest, is to help thickening the sauce. So this is there to help the sauce come much more thicker. So I added the potato. Here is the tomato juice. Like I said before, we can use the tin tomato juice. Now we're adding olives. We will add capers and black olives too. Some lovely capers. And black olives. So now we're going to bring the sauce together and we bring it to the boil. As you can see, we bring it to the boil and let it simmer. So by this time, the snails are ready. We drain the snails, we're adding the sauce, we added a little bit more water, we added the snails in the pot with the sauce, with that beautiful sauce. Now we're adding the potato, which is a little bit more chunkier. to this beautiful stewed sauce, adding a little bit more water there, and we're gonna bring it to the boil, and we're gonna let it simmer, covered as you can see, for about 45 to 50 minutes until the potato is done basically. Here you can see it's simmering gently here. Look at that. Beautiful stewed snails. So there you go. We let that simmer for 45 to 50 minutes. Then we're gonna add the piece, which is our last ingredient, and we will have the stewed snails ready. Remember to switch off and let rest before you can serve that amazing plate of food with Maltese bread. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now, bye bye.